Chapman and Andice, Texas, built by the amazing crew at Customs and Hot Rods by Andice. Dakota Digital Gauges, it's got a hidden roll cage carbon seat powered by a Elephant HRE wheels.
Dakota Digital Gauges, LS3 engine, Roadster shock, Slam spec chassis, and check it out, Willwood disc brake. '39 Ford Deluxe, Athens, Alabama. Dan, congratulations on this fully built engine, T5 5-speed. This guy is 24 years old, driving around in a 40,000-mile 1995 Chevy Silverado.
'70 Dodge Super B, owner built 6.4 Hemi, stock chassis, QA1 shocks. Super
1970 Chevelle SS 454 with the cowl induction hood. You should see under the hood, it's all bright and shiny.
'73 Z28, he's owned it for 24 years. Paint is 22-year-old. I know, that's hard to believe. Scratch built with friends. '56 Chevy, 6-cylinder with 3 on the tree. It's got AC, fender skirts, Coker wide whites. Inline 6.
'55 Chevy 210 Factory Del Rey, assembled in Oakland. It's got the LT1 350.
Corvette was bought in 1960. He bought it for his 60th birthday. 283, small block, 4-speed. Mark 1 4-door sedan, twin turbos, yes, land speed and drag racing. He has went, are you ready? 204 mile an hour in the standard mile. That's 6-liter. Engine presented by Edelbrock Group. Yes, John Martin out of Nixa, Missouri, 34 Ford.
modified chassis and PPG Viper or Viper. Anyways, congratulations on your finish. For delivery. It's all home built body. It's been on the road for over 21